strife, hardship, mask wearing. The GNS Theater Department needed to produce a musical, but not just any musical. A musical that heralded the time of a new season. A spring musical. We're here to proudly present the Spring Musical of 2021. Hold on. This musical must be socially distant at all times. This is the distance you must stay apart during the entire performance.
Hear ye, hear ye! Rehearsals shall be on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes Saturday. Everyone is welcome: singers, dancers, actors, cows, and very small rocks.
Wait a minute. Are we doing a single or double casting?
And can I play a man or a woman?
The play shall be single-casted. There are big parts, and there are small parts. And there are medium parts, which aren't quite as big as the big parts, but aren't quite as small as the small parts. And there are chorus roles for those who like to sing in groups. Everyone is welcome to audition.
I have another question.
This audience member has been murdered!
No, I'm not dead yet.
This audience member has been mortally wounded!
No, I think I'll get up. Can I ask my question now?
Yes, please share your last words with us, kind audience member.
So, how will I be able to watch the show? Will there be a live audience?
Yes, no, I should have mentioned. The musical will be live streamed with perhaps a small audience. We'll see.
And now, it's time for the big reveal.
What's this for?
How did it get here?
It must have been carried by a swallow.
Well, was it carried by an African or a European swallow?
Lovingly ripped off from the classic film comedy Monty Python and the Holy Grail, Monty Python's Spamalot, socially distant version for plagues and pandemics, retells the legend of King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table, and features cows, killer rabbits, and French people. Join King Arthur and the Lady of the Lake as they search for the Holy Grail, and always look on the bright side of life. Performances will be held March 4th through 7th, 2021. Auditions will be held December 7th and 9th after school. Sign-up sheet will be on the on-call board outside the drama office. Email Ms. Smook and Mr. Val for more information. Everyone is welcome.